Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Our today topic is basic terminology for motion under gravity. Basic terms related to motion under gravity. So many terms, students, of 5 or 6 terms related to motion under gravity. First one is maximum height, the second one is the time of ascent, third one is the time of descent, the fourth one is time of flight, the fifth one is the final velocity after come back to the surface. These 5 terms is very important, is related to the motion under gravity. Okay, the first one is the maximum height, students. Maximum height. Okay, in the motion can be classified into 2 types, students. So first one is a freely falling body motion, second one is a vertically projected body. Okay, in these 2 types of motion, students, motion under gravity. In this one, maximum height. So for example, when a particle is projected upwards to reach the maximum height, if a particle is thrown vertically upwards to reach a certain height, that is called maximum height. Okay, students, this is the diagram for. This is the particle. The particle is projected vertically upwards to reach the maximum height, to reach the certain height, that is called maximum height. In this projection upwards, then A is equal to minus G. A is equal to minus G. To reach certain height, then velocity is equal to 0. Velocity is equal to 0. In this case, some initial velocity, then u is equal to plus u. The maximum height, these 3 values substituted kinematics third equation. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. V square is the 0 square, student. 0 square is equal to u square is u square plus 2 into minus g. S is equal to in upward direction. So vertically projected body, the displacement is always positive. S is equal to h maximum, that is maximum height. 2g h maximum is equal to u square. H maximum is equal to u square by 2g. This is always positive, student. H maximum is equal to plus u square by 2g. The plus sign, the positive sign indicates displacement is in positive in upward direction. Okay, in upward direction, the displacement is positive. This is the maximum height. Okay, second terminology, time of ascent. Time of ascent. That is the TA. TA is the time of ascent. The time of ascent means when a body to reach the maximum height. In this only vertically projected body to reach the certain height. In this time is a time of ascent. The time taken for a body to reach maximum height from the point of projection is called time of ascent. Time taken by a body to reach maximum height from the point of projection. That is called time of ascent, TA. Okay, in this vertically projected body, U is equal to plus U, then V is equal to 0. To reach the body is projected vertically to reach maximum height, the velocity is decreases, the final velocity will be 0. A is equal to minus G, then time is equal to TA. These are 4 values substituted in this kinematics first equation, students. V is equal to U plus AT. V is 0 is equal to U minus G into TA. Okay, so G TA is equal to U, TA is equal to U by G. This is time of ascent. So time of ascent means the time taken by a body to reach a maximum height from the point of projection is called time of ascent. It is represented, that symbol is TA. One more thing, students, the vertically projected body, the displacement is always positive. The displacement and velocity is in moving opposite direction. Then velocity, these two are opposite to each other. Then displacement is equal to positive in the case of vertically projected body. If a body is dropping, so from certain height, the displacement is negative, in downward direction is negative. This is the time of ascent. The third one is the time of descent, students. Time of descent, TD. So time of descent means the time taken for a body to reach a point of projection from the maximum height. Time taken by a body to reach point of projection from maximum height, that is called time of descent. It is represented TD. Okay, is a body is a free is a freely falling students. The displacement is a negative. So negative. Okay, a bar is equal to the velocity is negative minus g, and displacement is equal to the maximum height, that is minus u square by 2g. Okay, this is the maximum height, h maximum. Then u is equal to 0. U is equal to 0. These values substitutes in this kinematic second equation. S is equal to ut plus half gt square. H maximum, the displacement is in downward direction is minus, that is a negative, minus u square by 2g is equal to 0 minus half g td square. So minus minus cancel students. U square by 2g is equal to half into g into td square. 2 cancel students. Td square is equal to u square by g square. Then td is equal to u by g. These two are square applied. The square and root 2 cancel. Then u by g. This is g. Okay. Td is equal to u by g. This is the time of descent. The next one is time of flight. Time of flight, simply TF. So time of flight, simple definition students, time of flight, the time of ascent plus time of descent, that is the sum of time of ascent and time of descent, that is called time of flight. Is very simple definition. The time taken to reach a body or a particle is in air, that is called time of flight. This is another definition, simple definition, the sum of time of ascent and time of descent. The TF, time of flight, is equal to time of ascent plus time of descent. TF is equal to u by g plus u by g. These two are adding 2u by g. TF is equal to 2u by g. This is the time of flight. So time of flight means the sum of time of ascent and time of descent. TF is equal to TA plus TD. TF is equal to u by g plus u by g. Then TF is equal to 2u by g. This is time of flight. The next one students, final velocity of the body after it comes back to the ground. Fifth one, final velocity of the body after it comes back to the ground. Okay, this is the okay students, the final velocity of the body after it comes back to the ground. In this vertically projected body, to reach the maximum height, the velocity will be decreases. Velocity is decreases means final velocity is decreases. Then the value of v is equal to 0. At the same time students, the body is freely falling. The body is freely falling. Acceleration is a negative in the case of vertically projected body. The time of flight, so Tf is equal to 2u by g. Then the initial velocity is equal to always positive. These three values substituted in this kinematics first equation students. V is equal to u plus at. V is equal to say u plus minus g into 2u by g. G cancel. V is equal to u minus 2u. Then V is equal to minus u. In this negative sign indicates that velocity is negative. V is equal to minus u. The negative sign indicates that the velocity is downwards students. Velocity is downwards. V is equal to minus u. Hope you like this video students. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.